Namaskar, dear teachers, students, scholars, and trainees. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome online faculty development program organized by the IQAC of Dr. Gali College, Gadiglas. I am Principal Dr. Mangal Kumar Patil, Dr. Gali College, Gadiglas, district Kolhapur. Dr. Gali College was established in June 1984 by late Dr. S.S. Gali, who was founder, president, and MLA. Now, Srimati Ratnamala Gali is the president of Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Gadiglas. Under her guidance and patron, we are organizing this faculty development program through learning management system to train teachers, students, scholars, employees of education institutions. Dear trainees, you know that due to COVID-19, lockdown was declared all over the world. In India, especially Maharashtra, it affects every sector, especially trades, marketing, industries, institutions, college, schools, are all which are closed to last 2 months. Hence, you know that the online learning is a need of this period. Why online teaching is important? The internet has significantly changed how we communicate with one another as well as how we access, share, and facilitate information. The issue is no longer one of how to use technology to teach, but one where teachers acknowledge the way the world is already developing and understand the significance of online literacy and the role that collaboration and online engagement plays in student learning and their future workplace environment. Software and technology changes very rapidly and it can be difficult to keep up with these developments. It is important therefore to focus on understanding effective pedagogical strategies for online teaching rather than the technology itself. This is the teaching learning process. Learning and teaching can occur at times that are more convenient and productive for both students and teachers. Students can work at their own place within a given framework, and the online learning and teaching engagement process can be broken into similar for more frequent portions of time with an opportunity to reflection in between. Learning and teaching can take place in any location, home, office, everywhere you can leisure and you can include students and teachers from diverse geographical locations. Online education gives learning a new, relevant and contemporary society, professional and industry practice, informing sharing. Online education provides opportunity to access and share information more easily and readily. Teachers and students are able to join online communities of practice based on their area of internet rather than their geographical location. Online education provides access to a greater depth and breadth of the resources and information. Online education can enhance the students' learning experience by providing opportunity of cross-disciplinary, cross-culture and or cross-campus collaboration. This learning experience can occur at local, national and international level and can be enriched by increased interaction and engagement, peer feedback and group works. Online delivery provides mechanism for equal opportunity among students, teachers living with a disability to who have accessibility difficulties that restrict their ability to attend face-to-face class. Online learning develops digital literacy skills that are increasingly required in contemporary society and workplace. Online education can streaming some administrative aspect of teaching. In some instances, students and teachers may be limited in their regular access to reliable or appropriate technology. Several people may be sharing computer or mobile device within one household or may rely on using computers in campus or in public places, especially public library, internet cafe, etc. Students or teachers may also only have limited access to required software. Not all students and teachers are regular and reliable access to the internet. In many cases, internet access may be limited to dial-up speed or there may be a capped monthly usage of their internet which can restrict their ability to access or engage within information. Some technology and tools require training. In some instances, technical training not be readily available to students or teachers. Teachers without peer support of their online initiatives, it can be a lonely and isolating experience. In many instances, the amount of information, how to guides, help and resources provides online can have a tendency to become overwhelming and confusing. If not properly managed, it can be difficult for students and teachers to discern which are relevant or important. Does your online courses reach the same level or better within the equivalent face-to-face course? There are two quantitative critical performance indicators. Competition rates are at least good, if no better, for the online course. Grades and measures of learning are at least good, if not better, of online courses. On a qualitative level, learning in your online course will lead you to new, different, more relevant outcomes. Here I say that knowledge is a finite and defined. I am an expert in the subject matter who knows more the students, and thus my job is to ensure that I transfer as effectively as possible as that information or knowledge to the student. Focus is developing learning skills and the ability to question, analyze and apply information knowledge. You can design an online course to teach in any of these days, but moving your class online gives you an opportunity to rethinking your teaching, perhaps to be able to tackle some of the limitations of classroom teaching and to renew your appropriate teaching. If you are thinking about going online, take an opportunity before you start teaching to think about how you would really like to be teaching and whether this can be accommodated in an online environment. It's not a decision to have to make immediately through. The important points is to be open to doing things differently. If you merely put your lectures notes up on the web or record on your 50 minutes lecture and downloading, then you are almost certain to have a lower student competition rates and a poorest grade than your face-to-face classroom. Dear trainees, students, scholars and teachers, this is sixth day faculty development program organized by our college. I wish you best of luck for this studying program. I also wish to the trainers and cooperative my colleagues also, all the team of this organizing committee. I also best luck for you for your future exam. Thank you very much.